Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So we are in store over at Walgreens for the week of the 21st to the 27th. Lots of these deals involve register rewards, so we are specifically in store, and IBOTTA as well, so you need that physical receipt to send to everybody's favorite app. Okay, so the first thing we're going to tackle is this, the 10 back when you spend 10. Because the word spend is in there on the right hand side, you got to pay the balance with your debit card. Pairing it with the paper one, yes, these two are in fact stacking. Always your mileage may vary what digital boosters or paper boosters you get. Only one of my cards got that digital booster this week, just to let you guys know. And at the front end of the video, we're going to look at two deals with the 10 back when you spend 10. And then we're going to look at the basic deal. So we're kind of doing it backwards this week. If you guys could do me a huge favor and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, I would be so grateful. Or if you possibly have the hype button, if you want to press that, free to do, and it really helps out the video just to make sure that this video doesn't end up in YouTube Siberia, or is it already there? I don't know. Okay, so the first deal that I think is absolutely fantastic this week, it is involving the 10 back when you spend 10. And just note that this is of a one-time use, so pick and choose wisely which deal you wish to do. But doing this in store, this week we have a buy 4 on the P&G laundry care. Get back a $5 register reward, and it is a laundry care at $5.49 with this specific tag. So for this one, we're going to grab a variation of Downy products and Tide products, and we currently have $1 off for the pods, $1 off for the liquid, $1 off for those dryer sheets, and then that fabric enhancer, a $2.50 off. Now, last week, I made a video talking about the Fetch Rewards rebate for this, that if you buy 2, you're getting back either 2,000 or 4,000, either 2,000 or I think it's 2,500 points. And you can do this more than once as well. So for this one, you would actually get back 4,000 because you can do it up to 2 times, but you have to buy both a Tide product and a softener or the Downy product in the same transaction, but you're doing it twice as you're buying 4 products. Hopefully that's crystal clear. As of Sunday the 21st, this rebate is still in the Fetch app as well. So jogging through this deal, grabbing a variation of those laundry care products is $21.96. It's $5.49 times 4. That's how we're getting the math. Subtracting $5.50 in digital coupons. Have your booster loaded. With your debit card, you're paying $16.46. As you have a booster of spend 10 to earn back 10, you're getting back $10 in Walgreens cash plus one $5 register reward. Photograph your receipt to Fetch for $4,000 back. It makes it free plus a smallish money maker. Do not use any Walgreens cash to pay down the balance as you're using that goofy booster. And also, that Fetch rebate is still there. So if you can line this up, make it happen. There's nothing better than free detergent. Okay guys, now for the second deal we're going to do with this booster, the 10 back when you spend 10. We're going to be grabbing 3 of the Dove body washes at $7 each. So the slender bottle, spend 20, earn back a $5 register reward, and there is an IBOTTA rebate. A lot of us have this paper coupon. It's from the Christmas boxes that were purchased at Walmart. It expires like in a couple of weeks, so if you still have it, definitely use it. I just found a bunch in my stockpile a couple days ago, and I was like, oh my gosh. So definitely going to be using this. Unfortunately, a digital coupon did not appear for the Dove, and it usually does, but maybe by the middle of the week it might. And we also have this IBOTTA rebate that you can do up to 3 times. So you're going to get $6 back. So why not? This is a very straightforward deal. And even if you don't have that paper coupon, use a register reward, maybe from Garnier last week or Colgate. 3 of these, subtracting that 5 off 3 digital, have your booster loaded. You will pay $16 with your debit card, get back a $5 register reward, $10 in Walgreens cash. Photograph your receipt to IBOTTA for $6 back, making this free plus a $5 money maker. Do not use any Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. And if you do not have that 5 off 3 paper coupon, guys, if you even look at the math, not factoring that in, just with the 6 back from IBOTTA and the $10 in Walgreens cash from the booster, it's still a freebie, and we love free OLAY body wash. This is where it gets really interesting. Both the Dove and Tresemme, they gave us a 5 off 2 digital coupon for both products. If you want to do this deal twice, 2 separate transactions, as the 5 back when you spend 2 register reward will only print once per transaction. So you'll have to break it into 2 transactions if you want to do the deal twice. And who doesn't love the very cheap shampoo? I think we all do. So we're going to break it down 2 different ways. The first with the Dove, so it is these ones. For whatever stupid reason, the conditioner never really scans properly for me. So the cashier always has to, there's a QR code on the back. She has to put her thumb over it or it won't scan properly. I don't know. It always happens. But grabbing 2 of these, it's going to be 12. Subtracting that coupon I just showed, the 5 off 2, you'll pay 7. Get back a $5 register reward, making it 2 for 2 or $1 per Dove shampoo. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. I will let you know that in small town Michigan, for whatever reason, whenever this deal shows up, that Dove shampoo gets cleared by Wednesday. So go sooner than later, guys, so you can get in on it. Alternatively, that larger bottle for $6 of the Tresemme, that's a better, if you're just looking at ounces, that's the biggest shampoo that you'll get for that price. For Garnier, for this, for that, it is just the best bang for your buck. We have a 5 off 2 for this guy too. And let's not forget, class, if you were going to do both, 2 separate transactions because the register reward will only print once as it's on the same promotion. 2 of these for 12. Subtracting that beautiful coupon, you'll pay 7. Get back a $5 register reward, making it 2 for 2 or $1 per. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. And remember that 10 back when you spend 10. If you wanted to throw that in with this, I mean, it would be a very small out of pocket, just saying, but you'd have to pay for the balance. Moving it along to this Coke deal, buy 2, get 1 for free. I did double, triple check this morning. The IBOTTA rebate still is in fact there. I think it's 40 cents back on mine per 12 pack. Yours might be more, but for whatever reason, mine was only a chintzy 40 cents. But this is the sort of product that we don't really ever get good rebates on. So mine's a limit of up to 5 times, but I'm obviously going to only buy 3. But if you're trying to stock up, before it gets cold and nasty out there and you just want to have some stuff in your stockpile, especially like drinks, 3 of these is $21.98. And we are going to be getting back $1.20 from IBOTTA. So it makes it $20.78 for the 3 or $6.92 per 12 pack. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Under $7 for a 12 pack right now is a very good deal. I haven't seen soda that cheap, so make it happen, guys. We have a 3 for $9 specifically with the Febreze and the Air Effect cans, which are those sprays. You're looking for those ones, and definitely open up your IBOTTA account to ensure that the rebate is there and that the rebate is in fact attaching to said product. You don't want to buy something and for the rebate not to attach if you grab like a different scent, but this is the one. It's still in fact in my rebate account, so hopefully you have the same ones as I'm noticing that some of our IBOTTAs are a wee bit different, but 3 of these for $9. Photograph your receipt to IBOTTA for $1.50 back. It's $7.50 for the 3 or $2.50 per Febreze. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. But $2.50 is not a bad deal, especially if you are allergic to going to the Dollar General and you don't want to shop there. It's a very good price point. If you go to the DG, we get this even cheaper. So we'll talk about that in a different day. Now, the Method hand soap, they did something from the preview to the ad that's a little bit different. You're supposed to get a 3 off 2. You can see it right there, up to $3 off. We only got a 2 off 2 for the hand soap, and Method is the cheapest one. Mrs. Meyer is an additional $1, and the Method is a 2 off 2 for the hand soap. This is a product we never really get deals on, but 2 of those Method hand soaps at $4 a pop is $8. Subtracting that 2 off 2, you'll pay $6. Get back a $2 register reward, making it $4 for the 2 or $2 each. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. And I'll let you guys know, even a Bath & Body Works comparable to this Method is just under $8. So to pay $2 for one of these foaming hand soaps, especially like the grapefruit one, it's a very good deal. Okay, so for these Snuggle scent beads, we have a 2 off one. This week they are $5.99, so it drops it down to $3.99. Some of you might have an IBOTTA for $2 back. I do not have it. You're going to be paying $1.99 for this after the IBOTTA rebate, but everybody's IBOTTA is a little bit different, so it would be $3.99 for me for a product that's just under $9. Take it as a win, or just don't take it at all. The final deal that we're looking at is with Scott. You can either grab 2 toilet papers or a toilet paper and paper towel. We only have this, which is the 1-off one for the Scott toilet paper, and it is attaching to that 12 count of just the comfort one. And then we also have this store coupon, which is $1.25 off of one, which will attach to both. Grabbing 2, it's $10 on the nose. Those bags are $5 each. Subtracting the 1 digital, and then the $1.25 off of 2, $2.50 will come off automatically off the 2 after you've loaded that, making it $6.50 for the 2 or $3.25 per bag. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. I know a lot of us are trying to stock up on toilet paper right now, so make these deals happen. That's it for this video, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.